I saw Miss Nigeria, they find me. The girls in Unipark, they say they want.
I'm back with another review. This is Yeto. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be reviewing is the wig I'll be reviewing is the Zury Sis natural press texture called Badu hair. This I got the color in natural, and this is how the natural looks like, guys. This is all the natural looks like. This wig is more of a bob kind of wig, a short bob. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I got the color natural, and this, let's go into the details of the wig. One comb at the back, two combs at the front, adjustable straps, and this wig does actually feel really nice on the head. Not too tight. It's really okay. Probably it's actually brigade friendly. You can don't even need this. Feels really. This feels really comfortable. Zury Sis has been eating the Mac lately, so good job, Zury Sis. And this wig is a natural yaki blown out texture. You can see this is how it looks like. So it is, I think, 12 inches. Well, yeah, 12. This isn't 14. This is 12 of, I done 12 or 14 inches. Also, I got this wig on elevatestyles.com, www.elevatestyles.com. I'll put the link to the wig down below where you can get it. I got it for like $30-something, and this is how it looks like. This wig is an untied part, and you can actually coil it up to 400 degrees safe. It's a side part also, so there is no trouble in that. And it's also a lace front. I just cut off the lace. The lace is actually really soft, and this is how it looks like at the back. This is how it looks like at the back. So it's actually a side swoop part. So this. Our colors, and the colors are 1B, FS, 1B30, RT 2730, and some RT butternut, some RT copper, natural, and golden brown. This is natural. This actually feels, I guess the natural means looking like your real hair. So yeah, it's not too dark and it's not too light, so it's in between. So this is it, guys. Like the wig does not even need to like be tinted or something like that. It does not. And it does also have baby hairs. I didn't use the baby hairs. This hair, I don't think you should use baby hairs too. It's just use your concealer and you're good to go. Say, guys, would I recommend this hair? Yes, 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 and yes. I actually like this hair. Makes like, I don't know, but I feel like it's more of, this wig is more like, sometimes types of wig make some people look like, for the young ones, when the young ones wear it, it makes them look really matured, like. But this one actually, that I don't think it is it. I don't think it does actually. I don't think it does. But yeah, you can wear this anywhere. You can wear this. This is more of a work type of wig to me. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It feels like your hair, man. It's Zury Sis has been going ham on natural wigs lately, and they've been doing a good job. To me, they've been doing a good job, and I actually like it. I got one that I reviewed a few weeks back, and this is the second one of Zury wig that I got. Really, really nice, guys. So here it is. And you can just finger comb it and just go about your way. You don't need to like brush this. I feel like when you brush it, the coils will go out. You'd lose the coils. So I would rather just finger comb this and just get on about my day. So yeah guys, this color 1B natural got the wig on elevatestyles.com. I'll put the link to the wig down below and you can ask me any questions. So this is it. It's actually really lovely. You can wear this work outfit. This texture is also like the texture. I don't know if you can like this is. It doesn't even feel like it's synthetic. This is. It feels like it's your hair, man. Like this is, and it's so bouncy and so soft, and the texture just not shiny at all. Like you would have to like tell someone like, oh, it's a wig before they actually believe this is a wig. But this is how I wear it. Use your baby hairs and just swoop it, and you're good to go. I feel like everyone should always have a walk wig in their collection, and this is one of those wigs you can get. It's called Zury Sis Natural Lace H Badu. And this thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with more wig reviews, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys. Bye.